Hey there everybody, it's Sean with Seattle Coffee Gear, and today we're going to be helping you start your home espresso journey. We're going to talk about 3 questions you should ask yourself to find which machine is right for you. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up on all the coffee content. The goal of these questions is to explore the home espresso experience and how it integrates into your life. Is it a machine you're going to be able to use every day? These questions will help you find out. The first question you want to ask yourself is how much work do you want to put into the experience? If we're working with a semi-automatic espresso machine, espresso is a skill. You have to learn how to dose your coffee, measure your grind size, and figure all of that out. It's learnable material and we've got lots of content to help you out, but it does take time to learn. Sometimes we want to be able to just push a button and have the machine do all the work for us. That's where we might look for something like a super automatic, where we have the grinder built in, the milk frothed for us, easy as just pushing a button and walking away with a coffee a minute later. The other question you really have to consider is how much time you have to make your coffee in the morning. When we're going with the semi-automatic workflow, we're often working with a machine that's going to take 15 minutes to heat up, and then another 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your coordination, in order to walk away with a coffee. Many super automatic machines use thermoblocks or a faster style of heating element, so you can get your drink within 3 minutes. Say you want to meet somewhere in the middle and you want more control over your brewing process, but also need it to be fast, there are thermoblock semi-automatic machines to do the trick. The final question, and a very important one, is how will this machine fit in my space? First off, we want to be sure that we have enough space to host it. These machines can be rather large or take up some smaller footprints, so making sure it doesn't take over the kitchen. The other thing is that since these machines are big, we want to be sure that we enjoy looking at them. Espresso machines make a statement where people notice them, and you should enjoy seeing it on your counter every morning. These questions will give you an awesome place to start your espresso machine journey. Our website is sorted so you can find semi-automatic machines or super automatic machines. You can also come ask us questions at our retail stores. If you do live further away, you can reach out to us by chat online or on the phone. Thank you so much for watching, and keep making coffee you love.